neo Canada, many won't have in the sense that se wo be di software restrictions
Okay.
So Bible said se obi ba Kristo mu a na wa ye abode fufuro enioma dada ni nyina aye die twetwem enye me na meka Bible da me ni ana eka
Akwaba ever too much GHSO. When you have a face capane so minimum edi eshe. Now ebusia for another just a yes of penny be and a negana for edina esi a year apostle one more action or stre any abasa. Nina a year su any a bani yebia one who a yen one who say and say and fantasy minipa and kasa a yen suni a bino you whom a yen. Now why I want asem and a maker a Reverend Francis Entry. I do not any say a Reverend Obofo, one day a year Obofo, one more and some and then they are babato a year up to say the moon himself, a year in Chabia and our own year, a year and Tassan. I just say, Aberdeen to a basso and Aberdeen to a year nano memenda and a one more edition so a one more a fear, just say, one be a young coye dinner and so a working pisking. Now, and no enter the Shimone as sunny and moon to a course on Ghana for Ama a yes of we, Nehun air fan or eba a year and Kaka. Now, I was young for and some dear, the one more air can a day air fan one dear, a binum extra woman, a binum to say, Bonibia and a binum to whom said, Bonibi a woman, now me channel me back with the Muchi Makasa, the Baba soon.
Too much GH. We are Buewate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye amo fire.
So Emma Akwaba Ebim. Na said the Apakoye asofo ho asem no na me nkwa mintimi ntu sanfre obia keke. Ana se mintimi mbo obia so ye keke ene no betwetwe enkomo. Enti ene de ya bepie mu ewo eye yankasa ye papa Reverend Lawrence Nyakon na kono eso aye ne no ebetwetwe enkomo. Enti kan ho na yimbonura ensem no enu Reverend Nyoma Akwaba.
Yo mi mi akwes kapa ye mi akomo
Biblia boko Reverend. Yo, Reverend, yen share a year and someone ababeto a year upno a sweet. Say, Uko ye nyamini pie, share your Reverend Obofo, but didn't to no money, no my apostle. Because the me was obeying Yamini pie, and she say be honor, and you may be honor one, and you can say what they want every moon and
yo dedicate cheer too much TV every funina. We are quite assuming can I asema and can yet in answer. You did near Nayaka. I don't know what you said. Yenko, Jeji Ubia, name Yabin Chire, and it's the Bible Ekan near the Atro. Isaiah, near the kind. We are software. Bible might tell us, said, you were a dear Nina Pine. Now, so a Nina Efatai. And this meeting have me Sophie, Sabi, and Tadia do a while, but to me a ship, mean to me. Behind you a while, but to me a mean to me. Cassabi Kura or what, a bit to me if you are no about, me and you, and Sister Sakas and if you know about. It's only say, would ye, a India and also, on to work out, young can be but 7 can, because a on was it by your software room. What does that mean? Nature says, so we are software. Ye shall say you have to set a certain example for the congregation or for the rest to follow. And to Bible man, Paul can simply say, or say, Mon Shabby, Nam Swami, said ye may be Christo, is Swianintino, we are software, we are in Shasudia, and the man, the Riasimina, and Mutina, make us say, and yet near Ubia, and yet to me, you are dear Quine. Now, so any banana effatai. So for ye and Shasudia, the Maria City near who you know, a nipa at the four areas air show. Said, I dear soft is it good or is it bad? When you know, mutuality and our some bemono, software dear, in every beer and our coin. So,
you now Reverend Mitty was see ya, over by your software, a dinner down so crumble intino, ma a yenny, so because answer now Baba by your software said, we are Reverend. They are no one of phobia. Who be a Yabiana or the water, who are you Biana with you, who are Sabiana was because of a dinner that was soon to know. And a dinner then share out to say, and no maybe over a new cancer way, because someone says, as of dinner, about a year and shot and metal on certain things be a win to me.
You mean a queer capa. And they said, I am a near or shed about a till if he and you may be so as of dinner and show. But it separates you from a team of female maybe. Yes, when it's out for them, intino me one now for so me baby software and me one now for my baby software and interest in the sun and from me no more any aka and metunya be but new baby a woman in a tamana me your software near be an alien. Say no mean to me and yes I your money.
Okay.
So for example, if I say yeah, you call this school you call and sanon you do not abontin esa nisa your man this time a dinner edam is a duma me anything mean to me and yes I didn't but me now before they are still my friends which I can socialize with but and then the one we and not me one point say me.
Okay. Yo, Reverend Nana Metwa Esono, say I want my say and airport. Now, Papa, Yamini pa, say, ya fro say, we Yamini pa. Does it mean, say, a year would you make ye, or no more way, was a end down so dear. By whom say, and no, ama a year as so for binum so every one any yen one should be as ye. Because then a for binum say, yes, and will be for your software. When you say, and Emma woman feel free and open up. And so to say, young papa, a reverend or buffo, one no, we're feeling free. It is all to say, Reverend Buffo agent baby a boy a year and New Year's Numa, one no with Missa because one will say was said Edda, it's a no hotel or Bontian, and news Emma, but all so phobia so for we dear, even though I am we are seeing proper daughters and a church member or Betiano, not a feel what to say, so for we will be as and I said, well, you be as in your money a year and my Edda, and not let me too soon to be into whom they say. Do not free say a year as so for was here mamma free roll and mamma live my life said your more pay. Now you look at your mouth a year in your big work and mamma would do so my Emma a better children and also then I bet in a car.
You mean about Neo Canadian, many young in the sense that so be deep software restrictions at us. Okay. So Bible said, Se obiba Christo moi. Now I hear about the full and your mother than I again. And you mean, Bible let them and Eka. And your mother than the Binidian, a business can what we are seeing. You met to me at TS, met to me Asa. Well, met to me I say, and Canino Sevilla, Miwosika, met to me at the I show actually. At social media, Matoka we said your footballers, any stars not tell home, Matoka we, Messi dying we will say, and no one need we are saying my Bible can say Obiba Christo Muawaya about for sa, a Hubu Bra, a Hubu Bra, sa a Hubu Branding in a Ayadian, a tram, and only Yamadan, a tram. So, you know, baby, my business soft is the same. Sal your money, the tram, Sabi, say Yamishami, Nasa, talk. Enye news. Okay. Se nyame hira me na mesi danya. Enye news. Enye ade sese me de yamu de bom de rosa ma wiase dina eti. Eye sa na ne Bible kan ye no. Me ne misu Bible bi na go ebra. So because Bible said ye ma dada no etwem. Na su mi gusu na chese misu Bible no ebo ebra. E na me ka se nyame so asofudie no ubedi software enhye bi eda wo so. Ah, se wuti trokonko ni dise de trokonko na trona. Se wuti ni ti wo no efi biome bi ene abrabo bi ho. Okay.
for the one who is senka so so for you open or you free anka no mo beboa ma wo so no watimi aye open wo so itimi aye free ba wo so for kokoye obi a wo ye straight up the moment a wo be hunu say wo so for to sin wo baby no eno itimi de abamupo ba itimi de asori guo ba itimi de asori jaye eba eno so e wo ho no mo wo ni say obi wo ho no ma wo kwa asori wo se ne so for we do ye kunkun what to say wo no de eba no man say ma wo pe na afo be kwa hu na ne so for na the video na social media wo butu e ya shawo for eso anaso ne ashawo for enam that moment na fe na waka say so for na mi gini die na ene de ni video aba bonti na just so for nyina eye pe enti ene me nkwa so ni bi enti bi no hu le say so for with me live a free life ema sorry ma ehu woni omemo ehu say wo de wo ye okay bibia enti wo kwan a enu mom eye eno so de na beti aka fa
yo mini aba we are software and question say we live free life unity we live free life
okay
ubana masesa me make we came near cop shopping free life I am a free person and that is how every pastor should be as I say we are free as I say we are easy to be approachable so but ye ka say we are free and interest new maybe once na say me ya and interest and intimate free for example say software we na ye de amati de day nyum ye gina mu ha so na me de na me gu me mu and interest and intimate free so na me gu me mu grigri na me say fani say na me member bi so ti be no say amati de day nyum na ye bo ana software say you bia baby a me gina fa say me fie na me sa remember next time on any the fear of sound no or better sound no disco clubhouse no so na so for body sa the TV so me dey sa so sa bia so na edi ensano edi edwaman edi niama boni bebre ko so ntina ye ka se ye nhweso bia who yes so for no you are influencing somebody obi hweso nti echina bi na se nipa no so gina sorry dem oba sorry no so nyame ya de kase amami enti no many ade enuma pese beto ye enjoyment na wa ma enjoyment so asori dey ma so fu mi gina wa betumi atenye no enti tinye no because when say me so fu no me de wiase nyumbi sa e bi asape enti onu so free no ba asori a o se de nyame ya ma me e be de enti na de enjoyment no wa ma so na asori de mo de so enti na say yes certain example na ma ye chidie fo so atumi afo said ye Paul can say mon hweme na musuam said ye mesu hwe Kristo bi so anti wa we so from this am say Kristo ba ye de no be ye ene miri niama ye matoka mesidan mi wosika mesika sini we ka mi bisa say Kristo ba ye obeye sa ni mani
yo odifo ye di ensem no eko eye ne wie ya enisa no ebinum so de wo mani esi eye ne yire eye obofuwa eso achese wo mo eka ne ho ensem na ye bezi wo eye maame no so no ye ni njenua se obi bebe ye sof maame a se enye wo no na ya frɛ no ni kunu na ya frɛ no enti wo no so no ni kunu mra no ebi chichire na na obe ye sof maame a wo kunu mra e chichire wo e ma wo ntimi nsusu ntimi enye de wo nsusu wo pɛ ana
Bato ani se wo ye sofo wo yire wo mra no echichire no isa ne se Bible say na be ma no be de me ka akobɔ ne yire na wo ma ye ni bebi akɔ enti se nyame afrɛ ne a oba oda mechi ana oba oka me ho ono nso ehye na eda me so no ebi da no enti na okuta di sofo maame wa sofo maame asafo
ne
maame so enti she is a mother to the church and she is supposed to set motherly example for the church to follow so enti no say we are so far we yire ono so onde no o hye na eda wo so no ebi da ono so no so enti na ye frɛ no asafo maami pa ano no ye asafo maami na ye so enti say emma na ehwe fie emma na etete nkwalati enwan ko na nyame de wo ahye sofo na se no eye sofo maami asabie say otinitini wo Oma womu abrabopa good example intini sofu bia wo yire so o hyeni bi eda so
na sofu wo yire so enhyeni bi eda eye wo so no eye anase wo akwanya no say nana mafo omonta de wo makeup omuti say e dey was so looking good no so esi wo kwan say because of say ukunu en sheda wo so niti no no so eni kwan say wo timi dress good wo timi ye makeup eti nkofo bi no wo so wo ntimi bi ana
so man to be dressing.
Okay.
But your dressing should be modest.
Okay.
Men ye be chinchini e man moroso.
Okay.
Well, so for mommy said ya me kan we as of mommy won so ye hweso de enti e se wo fa wo yie wo hu siesie mu e se wo fa wo yie but eni nkyerese eni nti no koye bribi too much shepe debi as a mother your dressing should be modest. So say idea ebe ye offensive say idea ebe bokwe mani pa kasa hu bebre nemo say ye dress na ehu te obi ehu a ebe ye ne fe na efata wo so say ampa mami ayo sofu mami ye wa sofu mami fo bebre e wo Ghana enso would be sa eye congregation edom na ewiase fo na wo man kasa be ka kire wo se wo munim wo ma wo mun di wo mudi se we so for mami su papa egoni ana we so for mami su
papa egoni yo reverend ye de enkomo didie no ba eye na wie ya enisa foto ben na wo de be ma yonkonom asofo a je se bibia wo nya bibia wo de be show de ama mansan ye wo se we na wo we na nyame de ade adom no we na ye ne modern bo etimi ama na du no foto ben na wo de be ma eye wo
yo ni nuanom asofo ni papa no asofo ana me nkuma asofo inu edifo ni kekeke kanu afutuwe kakra mede ema ye nyina yache eni se Bible said emra Kristo osuma esunyafo asema ode ma awon eni se osimu koi emama ofesi kaboto emama nkopiri ejabade bidia nemo defia mbekumu awon bechimano montana wa ne wo be ma mu bia mundi ne sana mo fa ne sana nyame som sebe yambe som nyame na yambe di sofo se ye be peye ho na nyame adom na se wasofo die mu no se nyame edi sika ehirawa eya fa sika no fa ye adoye eya nyama ni bi mpo a wo ye no emmani pa enti. This time the Bible said, "Se we are dear mobi, na wan kasa obo mu de wura, when ya mu hira ewie." So it no niama na ye kura ni bi said ye ma nipa mpo eti, na emom ye na osoro hi na wa frɛ wo ono nko a onhu na onfa hyawe ni monyam na onfa mpo wapaso. Na afei so no yen ma nyame asɛm entumiye na yen sua Kristo. Said ye Paul kan ni say mo hwade na mo sua me nua no adofo asofo enipa ehwe ye esua ye na enibi yesu ni ye ban bi wo ama enipa etoto ye duma no ase na me de adesedi atu me nua no mo ni papa no mo ni asofo nyina enimu se emere do ese ye ma asofo duma no ye bo ye dimpa esa de se eye ofre krom ana Kristo wode afre yente yahu emfi enoma bia emfata ho na yenye nhwesodie emfama ewiase na manipa kon ado se sofu weiti menso mesu Kristo na me paso nyame nhira yina na hini enye kese ewo Yesu amen.
Amen. Ebusia for your Reverend Lois Nyakwa wada asoya din ede IPWC enene day ye ba ye wono susu na kachi a ye ne no abetwetwen ye enkomo mejidi ye se won susu a wotie wonya efutuo ensem ede fi opesa woni ye Reverend entwetwen enkomo a ne number ebu screen no eso obetimi afa na enkomo bia opesa woni ne twetwe se ye mpaye se ye gina na won gina fama obibia mu a bibia ha bia wodi nyame asem ebe checho ama woso wenya wo fra mudi abusuafo na me kan sa na chesa ha ene bre e ma ye kwan ama ye di dwumedi no asie subscribe to your channel so wonya ya like your videos na share wetin so follow your way IG page atuma GH_. Midin edi ekuyesi kapa dasene yebesane share makram.